Over the past few videos, we've explored the fundamental mechanisms that drive aging in our pets, from DNA damage and NAD plus depletion to oxidative stress and cellular senescence. Today, we're bringing it all together with the revolutionary solution that inspired this series. Defend Your Pet by Bill Coo. Defend Your Pet is the first supplement designed to address all four pillars of cellular aging simultaneously. While most supplements offer singular solutions, this science-backed formula provides a complete, multi-layered defense system to protect your pet's health span from the inside out. Formulated by Dr. Christina Rahm, Defend Your Pet combines nature's most powerful defenders at therapeutic doses. It features β-NAD to restore cellular energy, essential trace minerals like zinc and selenium to fuel DNA repair, synergistic vitamins C and K2 for antioxidant defense, and quercetin to clear out dysfunctional zombie cells. When compared to standard multivitamins or joint supplements that only manage symptoms, Defend Your Pet is a clear standout. By addressing aging at its root cause, it eliminates the need for multiple separate supplements, providing synergistic benefits that single-ingredient products simply cannot match. Using Defend Your Pet is simple. Just mix the tasteless powder into your pet's daily meals. You'll notice early improvements in coat and energy within weeks, while profound DNA protection and cellular cleanup accumulate over months. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to read our full scientific review and get Defend Your Pet for your furry family today.